Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Seasoned Beauties. Our video on today, as you saw from our title, we will be unbagging our actual ice cream beauty bag. Now, if you don't understand why I'm saying that, I'm going to post it up here. We've already done the unboxing of our ice cream beauty box this month, but it was such large items it came in a bag. But this is the real one, okay? This is the real ice cream beauty bag. This one is $12.50 per month, but with this one you do pay for shipping, okay? That's the difference. That is the difference. And this one comes with 3 products, sometimes more, but for the most part it's 3 to 5 items that you would get in the ice cream beauty bag. Now, I will leave all the details down below. There's also a coupon code, so if you'd like to try it out for yourself, you can just go right ahead and do that, okay, with the information that is listed below. Okay, so let's just get right into the ice cream beauty bag. Now, we do also have a description card. With this one, it is much smaller because there are less items. And this month, the theme is holiday prep. So let's just start at the beginning. This month, the first item that we have is by DEDE Signature. We had an amazing palette from her in the beauty box. Check that out. I'm telling you, it is so worth it. But nonetheless, this one is by DEDE Signature as well. This one is called Skewer Collection. Now, Caramel Skewer Palette. Now, the inside and the outside looks exactly the same. This one is a cruelty-free product as well. And this one has an 18-month shelf life. Okay, I'll take it. It says, do you know eating more fruits is an excellent way to improve overall health and reduce the risk of any disease? Prescription fruit skewer a day means healthier living. DEDE Signature Skewer for you means perfect glam look. That was cute. That was actually cute. And let's see how many shades are in this. Oh no. My palette is cracked. This is kind of like a mess. So I'm going to have to reach out to them. It's all over the plastic on the top, as well as it has blended into, oh man. Okay, this one has blended into some of the shades. I need to take a picture of this before I tried to mess with it at all. And since we're in the middle of the unbagging, I'm just going to go ahead and show it to you. Wow, I really would love to swatch this, but I'll see what we can do in the end. Hopefully you can see some semblance of the colors or the shades that we have. This one is a 6-pan palette, and boy, that's a little tough because it's really, really beautiful. So nonetheless, I will reach out to them and let them know. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail price for this palette is $18. Remember, this one is 6, where the other one is a 12-pan palette. So just so you know. But nonetheless, I will see what I can do in the end. It's going to give me a little time to try and see what we can do. Okay, so that one is item number 1. It's still beautiful nonetheless. Let me just put this plastic piece back on it. Oh man, so very disappointed about that. But it must go on. The next item that we have is by Trifle Cosmetics. It's this one here. And it says this one is a liquid luminizer. It says liquid glow, liquid luminizer. Okay, so here, of course, is the outer packaging. And it says that this one is a 0.66 fluid ounce size. It is a cruelty-free product. And let me show you what the inside packaging looks like. This is the inside packaging, which is like the outer packaging, but nonetheless, it does tell us that this one is a 100% cruelty-free product. It is vegan. There's no mineral oils, no parabens, no phthalates, no gluten. It does have cocoa extract. It is hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic, okay? Now it says just a touch of our liquid luminizer is enough to give your complexion a yummy bloom of rosy brilliance. Okay. It says it's formulated with cocoa extract to help keep skin nourished and beautifully scented. It says if you subscribe to their newsletter, you'll get a code for 20% off on your next purchase. Now, we'll see about opening this because with the shelf life that is 12 months, I'm not sure. I have so many highlighters, so many, but we'll see nonetheless. Then there is one more product, and this one is a Trifle Cosmetics product as well. And this is what that packaging looks like. All right. And this one is the Jelly Juice. And this is a tinted lip glow. Tinted lip glow. All right. This one is also a cruelty-free product with a 12-month shelf life. Let's see. Does it give me a shade? This is what the inside packaging looks like. And it says the shade is actually called Ridicule Rant. Ridicule Rant. Okay. All right. Now, this is what it looks like. It seems to be a very small package, but it does tell you that a little goes a long way. It says a yummy glow lip treatment made with a mirage of plant-based oils, vitamin E, and shea butter to create an irresistible bouncy texture for your lips. This high shine tinted formula gives lips a juicy wash of color and is infused with delicious cranberry and raspberry extracts to help create a healthy look with a pout perfect finish. And it says a little dabble do you. Okay. That's very interesting. Now, this is kind of out of the norm for me because it seems like I'm not really going to be able to swatch. Let me reach out to the company and about this palette first. I'm going to grab a brush and see if I can, well, I'm going to grab a couple brushes and see if I can indeed swatch some of the other shades. Now, I was able to swatch these three. The one on the end is Pomelo, this one right here. Now, it does have a little bit of the shimmer from the shade that broke. But the other two, Avocado and Blueberry, which this is the Blueberry and this is the Avocado. So at least you do get the swatches from the I tried to stick to the other side, but there are still others. Now, once I have a chance to speak with them, then we will go from there. Maybe we'll get another one, or we'll see what happens. I don't know. So we'll go from there. But nonetheless, very short to the point. I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged our ice cream beauty bag for the month of November. These are the items that were included to the best of my ability. That palette and the other two items down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for these 3 items. Now, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I would love to hear your comments about this particular bag this month. Now, I can't say the items weren't fantastic because this palette by itself is actually fantastic. We just need to get that one pan taken care of there. Now, I wasn't ready to open these items as of yet, only because the shelf life is only 12 months. But I will definitely let you know the very first time I use them, I will refer them back to this particular video. Now, if it's something that you know someone may like, go ahead and share this video with them, okay? And let them know about the ice cream beauty bag, as well as checking out the other one that's listed up above, which is the ice cream beauty box. Now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.